guys, welcome back. So here we have the PlayStation Pulse 3, the wireless headset. So these are a little bit hard to find right now, and they have been very popular amongst users that are buying the PlayStation or have an existing PlayStation. So it is really hard to find. If you go to the stores, your best bet right now would be to look at Target.com, and in the morning you might be able to find some. The availability or the website is somewhat broken, that if you try to order it, get it shipped to the house, you might get an error message, or if you're trying to go pick it up at a store, it might not work, you might still get an error message. So my recommendation is check the availability. Some of them will say in-store only. Try to get there as soon as possible. The shipment might have just arrived and you might get lucky in getting one. It took a while to get one, so this is the unboxing, and then we'll test the unit itself out. Box is fairly standard. The one thing is that Sony does make great products, but when it comes to some of their packaging and the unboxing experience, it's not always the best, because I think they put a lot of thought into the product, but the unboxing part might not be always as some other companies do. For instance, Apple, even Microsoft has recently stepped it up, especially with the Xbox Series X. But let's go ahead and open this one up. And this is what's holding it in place. You have your manual. Here you have your wireless dongle, your USB-C to Type A charger, and your 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's pretty much in that piece. And then, as you can see, the headphones are just sitting straight up, and we pull them out, and these are the headphones. One tape up top, nothing here. Feel pretty solid build. Sony does a really good job with headphones. They have some of the best noise canceling headphones on the market, to the point that even Apple is trying to compete with them with the new AirPods Pro Max. So I think you're going to get a lot of benefits out of it. So, but stay tuned, we'll go in depth. Subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.